And the print begins. There's my filament. It's a tricolor. And this first line is just going to clear the tube. And then it's going to do an outline and it's going to start printing. I always describe this as a robot arm, which will be this whole contraption here. And on the end of this, that little tip with plastic's coming out of reminds me of a hot glue gun. And of course, that looks like weed eater string to most people. Basically just drawing a picture with a melted plastic. We are an hour into it so far. Alright, what's this thing doing now? Oh, it's printing the infill. That is that little honeycomb looking stuff on the edge. We are 2.5 hours into this thing. Alright, here we go. I just woke up. There's some new colors. Looks like we're about 11 hours in. And it's just going around in circles and never stops until the print's done or it loses electricity. Alright, here we are at 20 hours. 4 more to go. So this thing is definitely finished. It's taken 23 hours. And it's definitely a nice one. It's pretty big. About 6 inches by 6 inches probably. There's all the colors. It's pretty thick. It's pretty solid.